This week we're going to preview USDA's monthly supply-demand report. They'll come out on Friday, December 8th at 11 o'clock Central Time. We're also going to take a look at updated weather forecasts for Brazil and also take a look at some ongoing concern about U.S. soybean export demand. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We've moved into the month of December here, and this market remains exceptionally volatile. We're going to start out this week previewing USDA's monthly supply-demand report. They'll come out on Friday, December 8th. These are the trade estimates for the report. What I want you to focus on is the actual number on Friday compared to the average trade estimate. So there's really not a dramatic change forecast in that number on Friday, but if the actual number comes in deviating from that average trade estimate, price volatility is possible. Same with those South American projections for Brazil and Argentina. Here's the key message, however. We strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to have your market positions in place prior to the release of the report. Let's shift gears now and focus on South America, specifically looking at where those beans are produced in Brazil. Now, a critical time period in the growing cycle is present here in Brazil. We're looking now at a number of different states from north to south. The critical period, pod set and pod fill, is taking place in Mato Grosso, as well as those northern states. More in the south here in Paraná, Rio Grande do Sul. Those states are not as far along. January will be a critical month. Let's take a look at the short-term weather forecast for Brazil. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at a 30-day precip total, more of a proxy, if you will, for subsoil moisture. You can see across those northern areas, Mato Grosso, some of those other states, it's been drier than normal, and that's caught the market's attention. As we move further south, a much different picture, though, in those southern states, at Paraná, Rio Grande do Sul, looking at wet conditions. So kind of a mixed bag in between. It's close to normal. Now let's look ahead to next week, December 14th through the 17th. You can see there is some rainfall forecast for those areas across the north. So this is what's caught the market's attention, albeit we're looking at a very large range of precip there across a very large area. So we'll have to keep a close eye on the actual totals as well as where they occurred next week. Now we're looking at the next 14 days in total. You can see across those northern areas it's still forecast to be slightly drier than normal and slightly wetter than normal across the south. Let's shift gears now to U.S. soybean exports, specifically looking at unshipped sales of U.S. beans. Now we're looking at unshipped bean sales here at a 4-year low. We're looking at a recovery a bit, though. As we highlight here, there's been uptick in activity in bean sales to China, albeit still lower than each of those last 3 years. So we're forecasting the annual exports here at 1.770 billion bushels. USDA is at 1.755. Remember that the USDA will update that number in Friday's supply-demand report. Let's wrap things up this week looking at long-term trends in November soybean futures. Now, November 2024 beans, as we tape here on Tuesday, are trading near $12.80 a bushel. Notice that although that's below where it was last year, it's well above, close to $2 above where it's been on the 5-year average for November beans in early December. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants. We'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. And remember, this Friday on December 8th, we'll have a live YouTube update following the release of the USDA report. We'll be on at 11:20 to look at the results of the report. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.